Ayurvedic Neem Oil. It is as visible to use headphone and subtitle option on. In this video you will get lot of information on Ayurvedic Neem Oil. Today we talk about Sarva Roga Nivarini, universal healer or curer of all ailments, Neem. It is also called in Sanskrit Arishtha, meaning reliever of sickness. In one line we can say Neem oil is purifies, repairs, and heals of all parts of the body. It has been used for years for treating equally skin and hair disorders. Neem has antibacterial action which treats skin issues like rashes, burns, abrasions, hyperpigmentation, and acne. Its contents vitamin and high essential fatty acid. It clarifies the hair and scalp to relieve dandruff, environmental damage, and stimulates hair follicles for improved hair volume and growth. Neem is cold in nature. Usage of Ayurvedic Neem oil. 1. If you are suffering from acne, you can use Neem oil for skin spot treatment. 2. If you have hyperpigmentation skin issues, you can use Neem oil on the face as a facial oil. 3. If your scalp is dandruff prone, mix Neem oil with a carrier oil and massage it on your scalp. 4. Want to avoid mosquito bites? Mix Neem oil with a base oil and apply it all over your skin. 5. Neem oil helpful for healing burns and abrasions. 6. It is helpful for moisturizing the skin. 7. It is useful for stimulating hair growth. 8. Neem oil repairing the skin and hair from environmental damage. 9. It is useful for treating head lice. 10. It is useful in treating fungal infections as well. 11. Neem oil packed with antioxidants that prevent hair loss. 12. Hair's premature graying due to hormonal imbalances can be treated by frequent usage of Neem oil. But it should be noted that applying Neem oil is useful in delaying or preventing graying. If your hair has already turned into gray due to aging, then it will not be effective for this purpose. Application of Ayurvedic Neem oil on the skin. 1. Treats acne and pimples. 2. Prevents aging. 3. Tones the skin. 4. Treats hyperpigmentation. 5. Treats scars and blackheads. 6. Protects against environmental damage. Ayurvedic Neem oil for psoriasis. Psoriasis is one of the common skin conditions that is described by dry, cracked, scaling, and red skin patches. Psoriasis came from Greek word which means itching condition. Below some of the types of psoriasis. Inverse psoriasis, scalp psoriasis, children's psoriasis, nail psoriasis. Ayurvedic Neem oil is useful for psoriasis. Neem oil is having the ability to fight fungal and bacterial infections. Neem oil fights against microbes that settle in the cracks of damaged skin, disinfect the skin, help the skin to heal the inflammation and redness. Neem oil works as a natural moisturizer for extremely dry skin. Neem oil has vitamin E, omega-6, and omega-9 fatty acids. Neem for weight loss. Regular drinking neem juice will help you to lose weight. It increases metabolic rate which is helpful for reducing fat. But overdose of neem also harmful. You can drink neem with honey in the morning. Along with neem with honey, lemon can be added. So, we can say neem is good for external applications. If you want to drink or eat neem, then it is advisable to take it adequately. This is one educational effort from my side. Before any application, it is advisable to consult with a doctor.